Before you touch a single map, before you open any software, there's one thing you have to understand. And it's not technical. It's a way of thinking. This is Lesson 1. Here's how most of the tuning world works. A shop sells a file. The customer hands over the money, the file goes on the car, and everyone agrees it's faster. Nobody opens it. Nobody checks it. The whole thing runs on trust. You trust the tuner. The tuner trusts whoever they got the base file from, and so on, all the way down. And most of the time, that's fine, right up until it isn't. Because when you can't read the file, you can't tell the difference between a tune that was built for your car and one that was copied off something else and sold to you as custom. You can't see where it's safe and where it's reaching. You're not making a decision, you're hoping. And hope is a bad strategy when there's a turbo and your customer's engine on the line. So here's the shift. Reading a file just means looking at what's actually in it instead of trusting what you were told. A tune is just numbers. Timing, fuel, boost, all laid out in tables. Every one of those numbers is a decision somebody made. When you can read them, you stop guessing. You can look at a file and say, that's right, that's wrong, that's lazy, that's the whole game. And here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need to be a genius or a veteran or formally trained to learn this. You need a passion for cars and the willingness to actually look. Everything else is just practice. That's the mindset. Next lesson, we open the software and read your first map together. Stop trusting, start reading.